up guys, Stevie the Military Biker. So as you can see, as I just nearly knocked over my fucking bike, well you can see behind me where I'm at, Harley garage. However, there's a reason why I wanted to come to the Harley garage today. Unfortunately, by the time I finish work, it's shut, which for a dealership, right, the big city, it winds me up that I get people work hours, I get that, right? However, right, look at this. I don't know if you can see that, but that's when it shuts. 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 5:30. Right, so most people work, I don't know, till 5 o'clock at the night time. So maybe, I don't know, stay open for like an hour, till 6 maybe, or even till 6:30. That would help a lot of people. But probably they make enough money not to do that. Anyway, that's a different story. But I wanted to show you guys this. The reason I came is because I wanted to see this, and I can't physically get in to see it. However, check this out. Look at that. There's the Pan America. I'm gonna get my hands on one of them. I'm gonna get my hands on one of them bad boys and have a test drive. That's for sure. But yeah, here it is. Orange and white. It looks mint. Looks really, really cool. I don't know how much you can see, but yeah. Cover that over. Well, that is the Pan America right there. So my local HD dealership has the Pan America in. I am going to try and get a test drive of it. I know I've sort of missed a party with all, you know, everybody test drive and this, that, the other, but people work, man. People have got jobs, especially me. But yeah, so that's it really. I just wanted to come down and show you the guys that, but obviously I can't get into to actually physically see it. But the good news is it's in the local dealership. I'm happy. I'm going to get a test drive on that. Absolutely, if they let me. He may or may not do. But yeah, so Badlands Harley Davidson here in Medicine Hat, Alberta.